Alright, this is my tutorial for Lab 14. Let's go ahead and get started with a new file. And we're going to make an extrude on the front plane. We're going to start with some lines going out to the side, up, diagonal, here, and then I'd like a center line running straight down. Let's go ahead and mirror all this. Oops. Across here. Okay, and then I'd like a couple more lines just to define the diagonal. Just like that. Okay. And then I'd like to make these two, oops, perpendicular. I'd like to make from here to here 3 units. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 4. And this is going to be 1. Okay, looks good. Let's go ahead and exit sketch. And we're going to want to extrude it. I want to do it in the opposite direction for 1.3 units. Oh, I need to select the contours. I just want to do it all. Okay. So now I want to make another sketch, and this is also going to be an extrude. And I'm going to do this on the top plane. Okay, let's start with a couple lines. We're going to go straight down. Let me zoom out a bit. It's kind of hard to see. To side, up, side, down, side, and then to here. I'm going to make this vertical line. This and this need to be equal. This and, okay, so those are already good. So now I can do, this is going to be 3 units. This is going to be 1 unit. This is going to be 1.5. I want this and this to be equal. Okay, looks good. Now let's go ahead and edit. Okay, so we have that extrude. I want to go on the inside. So you see I made a quick mistake. I need to add one more line that goes from here to here. Escape. Alright, now I can do the extrude on sketch 2. And I want to go, let's see here. I want to go up to vertex, and I'd like to show this, and I want to go up to this vertex right here. Looks good. Okay, so now I want to do a cut based off of this sketch. I'd like to extrude these two in the other direction through all. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to show us this. I'd like to select which bodies to keep, and I'd like to keep this one, so not the two side things. Let's press OK. Alright, looks good. Okay, the last thing we're going to need to do is create one more sketch. This is also going to be extrude. This one's going to be on the right plane. And I'd like to do a diagonal, pretty simple. That goes from here to here. I'll select this horizontal. Close enough. And then we can just go like this and make this vertical. Okay, exit sketch. And I'd like to make this one go through all. Nice. Looks good. Clean. Okay, so that's how we model that part. Now we need to do a drawing. So let's go ahead and File, make drawing from the part, save as, lab 14. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make this. And we can just do a standard 3 views of this part. And I can add in a projection view up here. I'll just make this an isometric one. Drag this out, and you can dimension it however you'd like. Alright, and that's how I did lab 14. I hope this helped.